I'm Becky.
And I'm Bo.
And we are the Wright Sights.
And today in this segment, we are going to be taking a walk from West End, Roatan, all the way down to West Beach, Roatan.
They say it's a little less than 2 miles, I think, so we're going to clock it and see how long it takes and about how far it is.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Wright Sights. You can do that by hitting that button right below, right-hand side of your screen, right down there. There's also a notification button. So we'll give you a second to do that. Go ahead and do that right now. We're waiting. Find that subscribe button.
And make sure to like, comment, and share, because that helps us out.
Yeah, and it's all free of charge, of course. And in this segment, we have never walked from West End to West Bay, so this is going to be a first experience for us. We've been told it can be done fairly easily. We'll see. So if you're either on the West End or on West Bay vacationing and you'd like to take a walk down the beach, well, now you'll know what it's like.
Exactly, and if you don't want to walk, you can always take a water taxi.
Yeah, there's a couple of ways you can do it. And both the West End and the West Bay, I think, are kind of totally opposite types of places.
They are.
So if you're at either spot, I think it would be worth your time to explore the other area,
Oh,
West End or the West Bay. All right, so let's get started. We're going to start right at the west end of West End at a little restaurant called Marta's Local Vibe. So that's where we're starting. It's right at the end of the street in West End, heading west towards West Bay.
And it's 8 a.m., so we'll see how long
All
it
right,
takes us.
8 a.m. We'll see how long it takes us to go all the way down to West Bay. So here we go. So this is the location we're starting at, Marta's Local Vibe. It is a local, I think, beach bar. Of course, it's only 8 a.m., so nothing's really open right now. And it is a beautiful view today. This is a really nice area of the beach on Roatan. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see the mountains of Honduras in the distance. Way over there, you can kind of faintly see them.
Looks like clouds.
Yeah, looks like clouds in the distance. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Thank you so much.
Captain Billy, and what we do fishing, snorkeling tour, and all of these are natural fish tails that we caught.
Oh,
So it's mahi mahi wahoo.
oh, cool. Wow,
Nice.
natural fish tails here. Cool.
Real fishermen.
Yeah.
You guys would like to try something?
Oh, good.
Thank you.
My name is Will.
And I'm Becky.
That's me.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the island.
Thank you.
We're taking a walk to West Bay. Have a good day. As we've said many times in our videos, people here super friendly and nice. A lot of them, of course, are business people, but they're never really high pressure or anything.
No, not at all. It's been so nice.
Yeah, very nice. If you've never been to Roatan, you've got to make it here. This is a real famous place on Roatan. It's called Tita's Pink Seahorse. It's kind of a beach bar and restaurant. We actually did a video on this one. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. You can meet Tita. All right, Becky is ordering me to come show the clear water. Oh, look at that.
Like floating up there.
Yeah. Yeah, I love that. Such a nice beach here.
Oh wait, can I do something real quick?
Sure.
Girls, they never believe me. My feet Hold on. Now they are. See how clear? That is underwater.
Very clear water. All right, so continuing walking down the beach here. Oh, already snorkeler out there checking it out. Got any advice on snorkeling, Becky?
Oh, it's so cool. We haven't seen eagle ray snorkeling yet, but so many people have told us just snorkeling off the reef out by Infinity Bay. They see turtles, eagle rays, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to try to snorkel at least once more before we leave, but it's amazing. It's so much cool just right off the shore.
Do be careful. There are boats that come close to the shore, so it's good to have one of those, what do you call them, those blow-up things?
Yeah.
Kind of a safety kind of...
It's called the SBD, but I can't remember what that stands for.
Yeah, it's good to have one of those. Here looks like a very nice vacation rental right on the beach. This would be nice to do every morning.
Oh, yeah.
Just to get up.
Why haven't we been doing this?
Yeah.
We've been a little busy.
We have been a little busy on this trip. We actually stay up on top of the mountain with another beautiful view of the Caribbean.
Yes. Shout out again to Travis and Tish. They've been amazing.
Of the Seascape condos, great place to stay if you want a nice place to stay while you're down here.
Perfect location right in between the West End and West Bay. We can get to either one very easily.
Yeah. Now the beach here, from what I understand, is pretty quiet. There aren't any kind of high-rise hotels or anything like that. I think there are a couple of resorts down the beach, but a lot of it's kind of like this. Looks like this is a kind of a boat graveyard. Got a lot of abandoned boats here, which looks pretty neat.
Fishing? Catch anything?
What are we coming along?
Wow. Oh, are those barracuda? Nice.
Got some barracuda here. Look at that.
Oh, look at those teeth.
Wow. That is so cool.
Congratulations.
Nice job.
That's a good catch.
So, yeah. Morning.
Morning. You just never know what you're going to find when you walk along the beach.
All right, so now we are getting close to the Luna Beach Resort.
Yeah, we did a segment on them, and Jody and Richard are amazing. They're always so friendly, and like we said, they've done phase 1 with the coffee shop and cafe opening up, and then phase 2 will be the bungalows you can stay in that look super cute.
Yeah, and you got to check out the Wright Sights video on Luna Bean. What they've done so far is really nice. Also ate breakfast there, so you can kind of see what we had for breakfast, meet the owners, and some of the great staff that work there.
Oh, and we did go back for lunch, and you had the fried fish sandwich, right?
Yes, and it was delicious.
It looked so good. I did try a bite of that, and I had the Italian panini, and it was really good too.
Morning. You can see the dock is about to fall in the ocean from what the owners tell us. They've had a permit submitted now for about a year trying to repair that or tear it down and build a new one, but they just haven't got the permission yet to do that. So
Well, there are lots of rules because of the reefs. They're trying to protect the reef, and so they have limited new dock building. And so I think because it was an existing dock, hopefully they're going to get it approved to take it down and rebuild it.
you can kind of see in the distance there's the owner, Richard.
Hey, Richard!
One of the pink shirt there. Always busy because he is still working hard on this resort. They have the cafe basically completed. The big pavilion here is almost completed. It has a beach bar, kind of a big room upstairs that I'm sure there'll be a lot of events there.
You got an upcoming wedding, perfect spot.
Yeah, it is.
Destination wedding.
Yeah, this is definitely a destination wedding. All right, so now it looks like we are coming to our first challenge. This, I don't know. We'll see how we get across it. But we promised that we would walk all the way to West Bay.
And others have done it, so if they can do it, we can do it.
Yeah. I don't know if this is like high tide or something.
I mean,
I don't think it
we
is.
swam with sharks, so
Yeah.
we can cross some rocks.
All right, so as you can see here, that looks like a path now. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like a path there. Of course.
Well, darn, I was hoping for a bigger challenge.
Yeah. So, oh, what a beautiful view. Wow, look at this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. The only thing more pretty is this lady right here walking down the beach. All right, so actually it looks like a really neat place to go through the rocks. Yeah. Yeah, we just have regular flip-flops on. So we're thinking we don't need tennis shoes or anything like that. I am sure that many people have done this, so there are plenty of ways to get around here. Just be careful. Yeah, really cool area right here.
Kids will love this.
Yeah. Yeah, see, just, oh wow, this is a cool area. Wow, look at this. This is an awesome walk so far. Look at this, Becky, just don't fall in. You do, we might get like a million views of Becky falling in the Caribbean. Yeah, you don't want to do that. All right, so this might be a little bit bumpy as I go through. Got the mangrove trees above us. Beautiful spot. Oh wow, look at that.
A mermaid.
Oh, look at this. Wow, what a beautiful area of the beach. Look at this. Oh, wow.
All right, let me take you walking.
All right, handing it off to Becky now.
Now that's the most handsome man on the island.
I love these rocks. This is really one of the prettier sights. I mean, there's a bunch of pretty sights on this island, of course, but this is really neat. I like how kind of isolated it is.
Yeah, this is cool.
Got some home up here.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wonder if they're still living in it. Don't let me fall with your camera. That wouldn't be good. It would be the last Wright Sights video of this trip. Oh yeah. might want to take it.
Let me take the camera when we get over this.
Alright. I don't want to break it.
Right. I'm guessing we are about halfway there now. Maybe a little bit further than halfway. The very end, you can see like a little piece of land that kind of juts out. That is the tip of West Bay, I believe. So here we go, halfway there. Looks like we're getting ready to come upon a long stretch of beach. So it's going to be a pretty easy and fast walk, I bet. Oh, I see a mermaid. You guys like mermaids? I just see one. All right. We're gonna see a mermaid. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, this looks like a nicer area. I'm assuming it's a like a hotel / resort style building. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. This is called the Orchid Beach Village. Orchid Beach Village. And I'm giving you more of a view here while Becky's very insistent that I get the mermaid. I'm going to get the mermaid.
Heather won't forgive you if you don't get the mermaid.
Look at the mermaid on the rock. That is so cool. There she is. Starfish are well placed.
Jason will love that.
Oh, this is beautiful walk. Look at this. Wow. Looks like we got a few more beach walkers now. So now we are getting closer to West Bay. Yeah, it's like about a 5 or 6 story tall complex. Very nice. Now, if you're not familiar with West End and West Bay, one of the odd facts is simply this. West Bay is west of West End. So West End is not the most western point on the island of Roatan. So you might ask, well, why is that? Well, West Bay at one time was real isolated. It very mountainous. They had no roads over here. Nobody was over in the West Bay area. And so the original town was West End. Well, a few years back, of course, they came in, built roads, access, hotels, and so now this is West Bay, which is really more of a resort style area. It's not, they have houses and communities and residences, but it reminds me more of a kind of a beach resort type area. So that's why West Bay is west of West End. Oh, there's Gumbalimba.
Oh, Gumbalimba Park.
Yeah.
Huh. Nice.
Gumbalimba Park, really popular place for people to visit while they're on the island of Roatan. I did not realize it went all the way down to the beach. And here is the bridge you have to cross over.
Shout out to Dan Schubert and his family. They're considering coming to Roatan next year, and hopefully this video will give them a taste of what it's like. And if you do come, Dan, you gotta walk from West End to West Bay. Your kids will love it.
Yeah, just crawl up there and find out where to go. Alright, so it looks like there's actually it's not a channel, what it is, it's a boat slips. Boat slips that go back about 100 yards. And really nice that they built this bridge so that people like us can walk all the way from the West End to West Bay. Like a great view up here. Instagram moment for people. Oh, what a great view back here. All right, we have rounded the corner, and this is the very east side of West Bay, right here. This restaurant you see in the distance there, that's kind of at the end of West Bay Beach. Look how beautiful this little bay is here. Oh, look at this. Like we said earlier, West Bay is more of a tourist resort feel.
But still with local flair.
Yeah, it still has local flair. And you can do all the activities, you know, on West Beach that people on resorts do. West Bay Beach. past some jet skis. Alrighty. This is really pretty. This is a resort style place you can stay in, Las Rocas, right here. Overlooking the Caribbean. We pan around here. And you can see it's kind of like bungalow areas. So if you're down in Roatan, there's another option. Yeah. Looks like you just go right through the restaurant. Look at this. Wow. We'll have to find out the name of this place. Looks like a great place to spend a romantic evening on maybe an anniversary or just on vacation. Wow, look at this. All right, I'm gonna pan around here. You guys are gonna wanna come here. Look at this. They have a pool. This resort.
Oh, with a slide.
Slides, got a restaurant on the second floor overlooking the pool, the Caribbean, and then a dock that's all set up for eating and so forth. I'm sure this is another destination wedding spot.
Look at the tables out in the water.
All right, if you want to just enjoy a meal in the water, there you go. You can do it. So cool. All right, so we're gonna walk out onto this dock right now because this is the tip of West Bay area. So we started at the tip of West End and walked to West Bay. So how long did that take now, Becky?
40 minutes.
40-minute walk. Yeah, look at this. I'll pan over.
And the submarine boat.
Yeah. So this is West Bay right here. The beach is about, I would say, a half a mile long. It's got all sorts of hotels, restaurants, activities. So you can walk from West Bay to West End or vice versa. Takes about 40 minutes, and that was at a moderate pace. If you had tennis shoes on, it'd even be less. All right, so I'm gonna flip the camera around. We're gonna end this video. Hope you enjoyed it. So here we go. Let me flip it around. There we are.
That was a fun walk.
That was a real fun walk.
Beautiful.
I could easily come down here
Yeah.
several times a week and just enjoy the walk.
We should have been doing this.
Could have been doing it. And in fact, really, the only beach you can really walk for any distance is like that we've found so far. I'm sure there's many on the island, but around the western side of the island is West Bay. Yeah.
Through here, yeah.
So you can walk that beach very easily, but this is a neat one as well.
That's
So,
really cool.
really cool.
Sometimes it takes you a little while to find out the gems, so
Yeah,
we're
that's
hoping
right.
to help you find them out faster than we did.
Yeah. So anyway, if you want to walk back, it's another 40 minutes, but what do you think? You want to take a water
I
taxi
think we're
back?
going to try the water taxi because we haven't done it yet, and
Yeah.
everybody says it's fun.
All right, so let's find a water taxi, and we're headed back to West End.